Welcome to the engineer jobs. PepsiCo is hiring for the post of executive, manufacturing with BE/BTech in mechanical/electrical/electronics and communications engineering having 2 to 4 years of experience. Location is based in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Job description. Improve quality of packs getting delivered to the market in terms of leakage and other packaging quality parameters. Working in shifts, stabilization of packaging operations. Improving machine efficiency, OEE, by reducing breakdown, speed loss, and other operational losses and ensure no any loss due to packaging overflow. Improving film wastages, excess giveaway, tear-off wastage and labor efficiency at packaging. Improving packaging wall and green and maintain hygiene of packaging hall. Acting as a technical resource for packaging machines problem solving and taking trial with R&D. Providing technical know-how to the packaging machine operators, PMO, and increase their skill level to improve packaging machine delivery. Conduct half-yearly IPS audit of packaging and closing the opportunities to improve IPS score of machine health, efficiency, and quality delivery. Successfully executing packaging expansion projects first time right and ensuring vertical startup of machines. Preparing packaging budget and reduce packaging fixed cost. Keeping team of PMOs engaged and motivating to deliver best packaging performance. Monitor equipment operation and line performance to deliver line AOP targets within the shift. Percent film waste. Excess giveaway, EGA. Percent equipment and operational downtime as per AOP. Percent green packaging quality attributes. 100% capable operators, machine operation competency. Deliver schedule attainment to plan, 93% AVC. Maintain standard line speeds as per AOP. Labor utilization as per AOP, kg/manhour. Sustainability KPIs. Safety KPIs. Handling the IR situations of packing department. Managing contract labor and PMO. Scan the QR code to apply for the position. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more job notifications.